Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up.
Finding the bond energy from a potential energy graph is actually super simple if you know exactly where to look on this curve right now.
First, we need to locate the lowest point on the potential energy curve because that minimum represents the most stable state where the chemical bond actually forms between these two atoms.
Next, look at the vertical axis to find the energy value at that specific bottom point, which shows the potential energy is sitting right at negative 140 units. Bond energy is just the absolute value of that depth, so that gives us 140 kilojoules per mole, making option A our winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush, trust given data, and check your steps.